Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Sarah Beavers and I do beauty and mental health content, and today I'm actually doing a photo shoot with my friend Carlos. I don't know where he at. He back there. And two of his friends. She's going back to Argentina tomorrow. So I'm really excited. Oh, my phone in the rain. I am tripping.
You want one?
No.
On me?
Of you.
I feel so violated right now.
Too bad. You been exfoliating, Carlos?
Not my beard. Okay.
That was so cute. Sorry. Look at us, all squeezed in. Commitment, okay? Oh, we gotta back up. It's a unit. She's a model, that is. Okay, so I'm all finished, I think, or maybe not. We may be going over the world. I really have no idea, but I had a lot of fun. Like, I really want to start doing more photo shoots, and I also want to get more confident with vlogging in front of people. So it kind of helps doing it with friends, because sometimes I get a little intimidated with vlogging, and just like, I don't like when people stare at me. And that kind of like vlogging, like people stare at you. So yeah, but
I'm not a model.
she's a model. She's a model. She definitely, I know, well, y'all see in the footage how she had all the angles and all the poses.
We just had fun. You should
Yeah.
do what you want. I was gonna say fun.
What's your modeling tips? Do you have any? Okay, so you said have fun.
Okay, have fun. I'm not a model, but if I was one, just you need to believe in you. Like if you're here, you're shy, you're not going to show that in the camera. And just when you're looking at the camera, for example, Carlos says that I should smile at it. So with my eyes, I think I'm smiling.
Yeah.
I don't know.
So you have to have confidence in yourself.
Yeah.
But all right, y'all. So this is the end of this vlog. Thanks for watching. I had a lot of fun. Did you have fun today?
Yep.
Yeah.
Obviously.
It was fun.
You can follow my IG videos, like IGTV.
Yes, I'll put her information in the description box below. She does she has traveling and all kinds of cool like fashion and stuff like that. So I'll put it in the description box. All right, have a good one.
Bye.
Bye.